Life is coffee. Enjoy it. A teacher invited his ex-students for a get-together at his house. They discussed various things and past memories. The discussion finally turned to the increasing level of stress in modern life. Offering his guest coffee, the teacher went to the kitchen and returned with a container of coffee and a basket of cups of different colors and types, imported, plastic, glass, crystal, some colorful and some ordinary ones, telling them to help themselves to coffee. When everybody had a cup of coffee, the teacher said, "Have you noticed? All the nice-looking expensive cups were taken up first, leaving behind the cheap and simple ones. While it seems normal to have only the best for yourselves, that in fact, in the case of your worry and stress in life, though the cup itself, cheap or expensive, adds no value to the quality of coffee, but each one of you preferred more expensive and attractive cups. What you really wanted was coffee, not the cup, but you preferred the best cups. Interestingly, you also started looking at each other's cups." The teacher further said, "Friends, remember that our life is like coffee. Our job, money, position, etc. are the cups which are just tools to hold life. The quality of cup, it means our material possessions, has nothing to do with the quality of our life. By concentrating on our money, position, etc., we fail to enjoy the life. Comparing each other's cups shows how we compare our fortunes with others. While doing it, we invite stress and move away from happiness and contentment. So, enjoy your coffee and not the cups."